Chapter 6. In the World of AI. Insight Points. In this chapter, you will learn Artificial AI Intelligence, AI, Applications of AI, Benefits of AI, Various Fields of AI, Artificial Intelligence in Daily Life. Hey Priyam, are you playing with the drone? Yes, Kanishk. This is superb. I can fly it as much as I want. I saw this device in Rudra's birthday. It was flying around in the sky. I don't know why. Do you know what it does? It's a flying robot. It can do so many things like humans. Let me tell you. Flying robot. Wow. Yes, dear. Artificial Intelligence, AI. Artificial AI intelligence is the ability of a machine to perceive its environment and take decisions in order to achieve a definite goal. The field of AI is based on the idea of replicating human intelligence. Artificial intelligence मतलब मशीन का ऐसा दिमाग जो अपने आसपास की चीजों को समझकर कोई फैसला ले सके। इसका मकसद इंसानों जैसी समझ और सोच को मशीन में डालना है। Applications of AI. AI is used in various places. Here, you will study about some of them. Agriculture. AI can help in harvesting crops and pest identification. Farmers can use AI apps to plan their crops based on the current weather conditions. It helps in seeding and harvesting crops at a suitable time. AI can help farmers in managing the health of their crops. AI किसानों को फसल काटने, बीज बोने और कीड़ों को पहचानने में हेल्प करता है। मौसम देखकर कौन सी फसल बोनी चाहिए, ये भी बताता है। Healthcare. AI helps doctors in diagnosing complex diseases like cancer, diabetes and cardiovascular diseases. Google, Microsoft, IBM and Intel are investing huge amount of money in AI and its application in the field of healthcare. Healthcare. AI डॉक्टरों को कैंसर, डायबिटीज और दिल की बीमारियां पहचानने में मदद करता है। बड़ी कंपनियां जैसे गूगल, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट, IBM और इंटेल हेल्थकेयर में AI के लिए खूब पैसा लगा रही है। Customer support. AI can help companies to answer questions and solve problems of their customers without needing a human to help them. They use special computer programs called chatbots that can understand what people are asking and give the right answer. AI वाले chatbots कंपनियों को कस्टमर की प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने में हेल्प करते हैं, बिना किसी इंसान के। Space exploration. AI is used in space exploration to help spacecraft navigate, analyze data and images, and operate robots on other planets. This helps scientists learn more about space and the objects in it, which expands our knowledge of the universe. AI का इस्तेमाल स्पेस मिशन में होता है, जैसे डेटा एनालाइज करना, रोबोट्स चलाना और स्पेसक्राफ्ट्स को रास्ता दिखाना। Benefits of AI. Let us learn about different benefits of AI. 24/7 availability. AI-based chatbots solve customer support-based queries 24/7. To take an example, Google Assistant can book a table for you at your favorite restaurant. Bank chatbots can answer your queries related to opening a savings account, etc. AI chatbots कभी सोते नहीं, 24 घंटे काम करते हैं। जैसे Google Assistant से आप खाना बुक कर सकते हो या बैंक से जुड़ी जानकारी ले सकते हो। Saves time. AI-based apps can process any amount of complex data and produce accurate results within no time. Processing a huge amount of data by humans requires more time and human resources. This is in contrast to machines. AI बहुत तेजी से डेटा प्रोसेस करता है, जो इंसानों के लिए टाइम लेने वाला काम होता है। Accuracy. AI-based apps produce accurate results as they use a highly accurate algorithm for processing data. AI बहुत सटीक रिजल्ट देता है क्योंकि इसके पीछे बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग एल्गोरिथम होते हैं। Friendly. In future, AI will be used to provide emotional and physical support to people around the world. At present, AI is capable of understanding human language with the help of a concept called Natural Language Processing or NLP. Alexa, Google Assistant and Siri are a few of its examples. भविष्य में AI लोगों को इमोशनल और फिजिकल सपोर्ट देने में भी काम आएगा। अभी AI हमारी भाषा को समझने लगा है, जैसे एलेक्स, गूगल असिस्टेंट और सिरी करते हैं। Various fields of AI. The possibilities of AI in present times and the near future are huge, and it is quickly becoming a popular trend in various other fields too. Let us now discuss the various fields related to AI. Machine learning. Machine learning is a field that deals with building technology that can be used to program machines in a manner that the machines can learn independently. Once a machine is taught how to solve a problem using a special set of rules, it can use those rules to quickly solve similar problems in the future. इसमें मशीन को ऐसा सिखाया जाता है कि वो खुद से सीख सके। एक बार सिखाने के बाद मशीन आगे से वैसे ही प्रॉब्लम्स को खुद सॉल्व कर लेती है। Big data. When people shop online, they leave behind a huge trail of information. This information includes things like what they bought, how much it costs, what brand it was, etc. The website keeps track of all this information, so it can learn about what people like to buy and suggest things they might like in the future. Big data. ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग में हम जो चीजें खरीदते हैं उसकी सारी जानकारी सेव होती रहती है। AI इन डेटा को पढ़कर हमें वो चीजें सजेस्ट करता है जो हमें पसंद आ सकती है। Natural Language Processing (NLP). In the past, programmers developed text-based languages such as machine language and higher-level programming languages to help people communicate with machines. Now, with the AI technology, machines can respond to naturally spoken and written languages by human beings. We can give instructions to machines using our voices or simple written instructions without knowing any programming language. This feature of AI uses NLP to understand us. Examples of voice-based assistants are Alexa, Google Assistant and Apple Siri. पहले सिर्फ कोड से मशीन से बात होती थी। अब हम सीधे अपनी भाषा में बात कर सकते हैं, जैसे बोलकर एलेक्स या सिरी से कुछ भी पूछ सकते हो। Computer vision. Computer vision is a field that deals with the idea of computers replicating human vision. It is used to extract visual information from images and videos. It is widely used in creating new security systems, self-driven cars, etc. ये मशीन की आंखों जैसी चीज है। इसमें AI फोटो और वीडियो देखकर चीजें पहचानता है। इससे सेल्फ ड्राइविंग कार्स और सिक्योरिटी सिस्टम बनते हैं। Artificial intelligence in daily life. There are various AI technologies that people are currently using in their everyday life but are little aware of. Following is the list of AI tools that are regularly used by many of us. Gmail. Gmail uses AI to filter your mails into different categories like social, updates, forums, promotions, spam, etc. AI, working in the background, scans the mails received in your account and transfers them into the correct folder category. AI आपके मेल्स को सोशल, अपडेट्स, प्रमोशंस जैसी कैटेगरीज में डिवाइड कर देता है। Smart Reply in Gmail. Smart Reply is a feature launched by Gmail. Using AI, Gmail can read your email text and give suggestions for a quick reply. To write an instant reply, the user has to simply click on the text suggestions displayed at the bottom of the email text. Gmail अब मेल को पढ़कर खुद से रिप्लाई सजेस्ट करता है। बस क्लिक करो और भेज दो। Google Search. While entering the text in the Google search box, you must have observed that you get to see some search-related suggestions. Google search engine makes use of AI for suggesting relevant search topics. जब आप कुछ टाइप करते हो, तो नीचे कुछ सजेशन आते हैं। ये AI की मदद से होता है। Recommendations. Most of the streaming apps, like Netflix, YouTube and Spotify, make use of AI to recommend shows, movies and music on different genres based on the viewer's choice. E-commerce apps, like Amazon and Flipkart, also use AI for product recommendations. These recommendations are designed to personalize the shopping experience for each user and help them discover the products they may be interested in. Netflix, YouTube और Spotify जैसी एप्स आपको आपकी पसंद की चीजें सजेस्ट करती है। ये सब AI करता है। Amazon और Flipkart भी आपको पसंद के प्रोडक्ट दिखाते हैं। Alexa. Alexa is one device that is gaining immense Alex skills kit, requests and responses popularity among the users. It makes use of NLP to interpret voice commands, converts them into text commands, and routes the interpreted command to the cloud server. The cloud server then figures out what you want Alexa to do and sends the response back to Alexa. Alexa then performs the card's action that you asked for. Alex आपकी आवाज सुनकर काम करता है, जैसे गाना चलाना, अलार्म लगाना वगैरह। इसमें भी NLP टेक्नोलॉजी यूज होती है। Navigation. Apps like Google Maps use AI to tell you about traffic congestion and how long it will take to reach your destination. AI uses your car speed and distance to calculate this. It also looks at the number of active mobile connections in an area to know about traffic there. Google Maps AI की मदद से ट्रैफिक की जानकारी देता है। कितनी देर लगेगी, कौन सा रास्ता सही है, सब बताता है।